Okay, you guys, I found this video on my feed of trees moving, and this is my first time doing this kind of video, so bear with me. I didn't get the sound recorded when I was talking, so I'm doing the voiceover. But I found it interesting because many people say they have seen the Bigfoot people turn into trees, come out of trees, go into trees. So is this an example of the Bigfoot people turning into trees and moving in the broad daylight? Or is this AI, or is this Mother Nature doing some kind of beautiful work?